You know, I used to be able to do this walk faster, and I mean, the way I walk now, I kind of wobble. I don't know what to call it. Hobbling? I think I'm kind of hobbling a little bit. And it's because I need more flexibility in my legs. And I'm happy I'm doing this walk. Despite not wanting to do it, I'm happy I am doing it. Because I have to have these legs be really strong. I don't have the option of being weak and surviving. Not going to happen. So I must toughen up at all costs. I do notice that it's now 8:10. I left it maybe 7:10 or so. So it's an hour. And I'm getting closer to town now, but in the past I would have been in town by now. In other words, I'm probably operating about 70% the speed I should. And the camera also probably does slow me down because I'm thinking about something else. I'm not driven to just walk. So I'm not sure. Maybe it's your fault that I'm going slower. God, you are such a problem. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to a camera, okay? Don't take shit personally. Sometimes commenters hear what I say and they think I'm actually talking to them. Nope. I'm just saying shit into the wind. So, it's not all about you. Not this. Anyway, despite not wanting to have done this, I'm happy I'm doing it, except I also know that I'm going to get to town, buy a couple things, turn around, and then I have the long walk uphill. It would almost be a lot nicer, it would be nicer, if I had an uphill walk to town and then could walk back down to my house. But the only town uphill from me has exactly nothing I can buy except beer. And this town has a hardware store. This town has a cash machine. It didn't when I moved here. It had neither a cash machine nor a gas station, but it has both now. So I'm still happy I'm doing this. Gotta fix my shit. Regardless of whatever pain or difficulty, it does not matter. And the truth is, this is not horrible pain. This is actually a very pleasant walk. Many people in the world are probably jealous I even get to walk in such a wonderful place. So I should count my blessings and suck it up.